Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that yesterday Ethereum's unannounced hard fork caused some problems, and there was a little panic that what's happening on the exchanges, what's happening to the tokens, but everything is now fixed. But let's talk about it, okay? The second news is about that Kucoin exchange recovers 84% of the fund stolen, which is $280 million. So that's what it was stolen, and 84% is recovered. And the third news is going to be about that people somehow always sell at the bottom. Obviously not everybody, but I'm going to show you that the majority does. So all this in today's video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you're interested in blockchain and cryptocurrency, you would like to stay up to date in this fastly growing industry, then you should definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also hit the notification bell, and after then also you get the videos immediately as soon as I put them on YouTube, because I put these videos on YouTube every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, every day you're getting the freshest, the crispiest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. It is very important to educate yourself, and also you can educate yourself with our totally free course. The title is How to Start to Invest in Bitcoin and Other Cryptocurrencies. The link is under this video. You just click on it and you can download it. It's free. Learn from it, educate yourself. But we have other courses as well. If you're even more interested in Bitcoin and blockchain, you know, education is right now the key. Prepare yourself before the bull market. And now let's check out the market, how it looks like. And yes, we can see Bitcoin again above $16,000. And this is actually great. So now Bitcoin is going upwards again. This is a bit more than 4% increase in the last 24 hours. We can see Ethereum going with it, plus 1% increase. And right now at $465. It was actually a bit higher before, but Bitcoin doing pretty well now. When we're looking at the top gainers in the top 100, we can see Blockstack with 18%, Icon with 9%, Dash with 7%. When we check out the losers, we have Loopring. Loopring was, leading yesterday, so this is quite normal now, minus 13%. Synthetic, minus 10%. ABBC Coin, minus 9%. And now let's move on to the first topic. And this is all about what I just said, that, there were some problems yesterday in this crypto sphere, and some people were a bit panicking. But basically, it was an Ethereum's unannounced hard fork which caused the problems. And we could see here in this article that the bulk of Ethereum's DeFi ecosystems went dark earlier today after a latent bug in the Ethereum code split the network transactions history in two. And, the nodes didn't upgrade, were under the impression. The nodes that did not upgrade, so basically what's happening is there were two parties, one who upgraded, another one didn't. And the nodes that did not upgrade were under the impression that the update was minor and did not know it included a change to Ethereum's consensus design. And, it started with Infura went down at 8 o'clock. And this was, yesterday on Wednesday. And then some Ethereum's most popular applications, such like MetaMask, MakerDAO, Uniswap, Compound, MyCrypto, and others. So they just went down. And shortly after, Binance halted Ethereum trading after noticing conflicting transactions on its Ethereum node, and so on and so forth. And the bug in the Go Ethereum, so GETH client, was called underpins 80%. So whose code underpins, sorry, I'm not that good at it. So whose code underpins 80% of the Ethereum's applications. So the bug was in the Go Ethereum, and because it underpins 80% of it, it was major on the market. And basically this had split the Ethereum blockchain in two. Infura has fixed the issue, as have other service providers who were affected by the snafu, by updating their nodes. Okay, so the key was just update, but that's what they missed, and this caused the problem. Yeah, pretty much. I think that was the all important about it. So yes, it was a panic a little bit. Okay, what's happening? But then everything was back on track, and the main reason for it was that there were then two parts, one who updated, one who didn't, and those who didn't, they thought it's just like a minor thing. That's why they didn't do it, didn't pay attention, but it caused some problems. But now the whole problem is fixed and we can continue. But it's very interesting that these kind of things can happening. Why is that some nodes believe that they don't have to update? How is this misunderstanding that is minor and it is not? So yes, there is some areas in the communication, I think, what they have to clarify. And this was just like a great warning sign, but good news that everything is now fixed. The second news is about that Kucoin recovers 84% of funds stolen in 280 million hack, which just happened earlier. And here you can see in this announcement that Kucoin Chief Executive Officer Johnny Liu revealed Wednesday that the exchange recovered 84%, actually it's a pretty big percentage, or in other words, $235 million of the 280 million stolen in one of the crypto industry's biggest hacks back in September. So it was not long ago, back in September it happened. And, it wasn't long before Bitfinex froze 13 million USD on EOS as part of the hack, and Tether froze 20 million USD sitting in the hacker's Ethereum address. And within basically days, 160 million had been recovered through various strategies from multiple platforms. So in a couple of days, they recovered the majority, 160 million. However, by the end of September, the cyber thieves had managed to cash out tokens worth nearly $13 million, which were laundered via decentralized protocols. So they obviously use decentralized protocols because then they cannot figure out who they are. And 7 days ago, the hacker became active again using a mixer to move ERC20 tokens to another Ethereum address. So this is actually great to see that even that this hack happened on Kucoin, which is a centralized exchange, and it's a major hack, they have already recovered 84%. It's also great to see that some participants in this crypto industry, some major players, here you can see Tether and some others, can also act on it very quickly. And therefore, in days, they could save a lot, like 160 millions. However, the cyber thieves, they could get away with some, but it's not all of it, and 84%. I think it's not bad, and you can see that actually now you can control these things more and more in this crypto industry. Because, back in the past, you just didn't know what to do. Now there are insurances, some other things. So it's still the Wild West, but it's getting a bit more safer. But these kind of hacks, they just like happening because this is for the hackers kind of, easy money. Before they robbed the bank and they collected some money. Now they basically sitting at home, being online, using their computers, they can steal much more money from people. So obviously it's really, really bad. But unfortunately, always the hackers are one step ahead. So basically the rest of the industry always just catching up. but hopefully it's doing better and better. And now the third news, it's going to be about that interesting fact that usually people always sell at the bottom, which is basically the worst strategy, because that means they bought somewhere up high, wherever they bought it, probably during the rally. And then, it goes down, and they keep holding. And when it bottoms, almost, that means it went down so much from the level they have bought that crypto, in this case, Bitcoin. Then they say that, okay, that was it. I cannot handle it anymore. Let's get rid of it. And then is the time when many times whales start to buy those cryptos which you basically sell. And then, the price starts to come back. And I wanted to show you this. I find a quite good website. I found this whalemap.io. And here you can see actually different charts. This is also a very interesting one. This is the hourly map of unspent Bitcoins. Here you can see the whales, and you can see how they do their shopping and which point. This shows basically just like this year now, but you can go back a bit more. And the one which I have showed you before, this is the map of spent holders Bitcoins. So you can see that this was back in March, in the big dump, what happened. And instead of, holding, because now we so much down that it's better not to sell it because you lose a lot, or buying and collecting, the majority was selling. And we could see it even after the bull market. It happened back in 2017. Why it dropped? Many people FOMO'd in at the top and then started to sell when it went down. And they didn't wait for the next bull cycle. Because if you believe in something, then you should be patient. You should look at these charts, and you can see that these happening in different cycles. There's always a bull run, it goes up, and then obviously, sooner or later, it will go down. It will be just the same next time, don't be surprised. So it goes up, it comes down, and then it comes to bear market. This is the time when you actually collect some more and prepare yourself for the next bull cycle, which is probably years. And when you're in it, then you're really impatient because you think, oh man, maybe, even you're counting the hours, days, and we're talking about here months and years. But this is how the psychology of it works. Most people give up. Those who give up are the losers. Those who hodl through the bear market and accumulate a bit more, they prepare themselves for the next bull run. And even if you were maybe a loser in the previous one, it's very likely that you can, if you hodl, then you can be the winner in the next one. But most of the people don't do it. That's what the statistics show. So yeah, be strong. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the content. If yes, then smash the like button. I highly appreciate it. And of course, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to get the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news, because I put these videos on YouTube every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, every day you're getting a fresh video about blockchain and crypto news. I wish you a great day, and obviously tomorrow I'm coming back with the freshest. So have a good one. Bye-bye.